important to say that we have gathered here to celebrate and commemorate a great day in the history of our little yet beautiful Goa, that is 60 years of Goa's liberation. It is really a very auspicious and special day for all the Goenkas. Goa Liberation Day is observed on December 19 every year in India. It is celebrated in recalling the great memory of the Indian Armed Forces freeing Goa from Portuguese. Well, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this celebration of paying tribute to our motherland. Welcoming is an art and it sprouts from the heart. To express it at this juncture, may I take the pleasure of requesting our PE teacher, Mr. Dayton Lewis, to escort our guest for today, Reverend Father Romeo de Silva, along with our headmistress, Mrs. Aquila Mascarenas y Moraes, to the flag post. Irrespective of our culture, civilization, caste, creed, and religion, the most important binding factor is our national flag. So let us all join in for the flag hoisting ceremony.
Excellent! Salute! Jai Sindhi!
Good morning to our respected manager, Reverend Father Romeo de Silva, head mistress, Mrs. Aquila Moraes, teaching and non-teaching staff, and all my beloved students. Today, 19th December, is an auspicious day for all of us. It is a momentous occasion in the Goan history. A proud feeling in each one of us to be a Goan. The liberation of Goa led to its release from the Portuguese dominion by the Indian Navy. It is seen as a momentous day as it terminated an age-old rule that was exploitative and dissatisfying. After the British left India, Goa remained the only part of India under the British control. The Portuguese, not willing to give up so soon, held on to its last despite repeated requests from India. The struggle of Goa's liberty was dual, within Goa and outside Goa, which was conducted by the Indian government. On December 17, 1961, Indian ground troops with the Indian Air Force and Navy overpowered the Portuguese army. There was military action after that. The other Portuguese colonies of Daman and Diu were also recovered. The total collection of the Portuguese colonies formed the Union Territory of Goa, Daman and Diu. The entire military operation, that is Operation Vijay, was conducted almost without any violence. At last, Portuguese Governor General Vassalo da Silva freed Goa on 18 December. 3 days later, after the operations began, on December 19, 1961, Goa finally became a part of India. So December 19 is celebrated as Goa Liberation Day. Goa is known for its peaceful coexistence of all religions. It is a state with social harmony and has maintained it all through these years. Also, Goa is the only state in India that has uniform civil code, regardless of religion, caste and creed. Goa is known for its beauty and therefore a dream of most people across the world to visit this marvelous place. Yes, speaking about the good, we cannot forget about the struggles each of us are facing in everyday life. All of us having the same thought and asking ourselves, are we truly liberated? Well, of course not. We still face problems of corruption everywhere. At times, inequality and injustice too. Yet, we celebrate this day with great honor and pride because despite the evil, we know that the goodwill will always prosper. Let us celebrate this glorious day today with the hope of liberating our minds and hearts from negative thoughts so that we unite to live as one and make Goa a better place to live in. It is not only me who can achieve this, but all of us together we can. Jai Goa, Jai Bharat.
Actions, even our thoughts, begin with a ripple of faith that we can. Let us be thankful for all the love and service we receive from our state Goa through our prayer service. Requesting the staff members taking part in the prayer service to kindly come up on the stage.
Reverend Father Romeo de Silva, respected teachers and my dear students. On this joyous occasion of Liberation Day of Goa, I extend my greetings to all of you gathered here. We all know that while India attained independence from British Raj on 15th August 1947, Goa was still languishing under Portuguese rule for half a century. Goa was liberated on this day, 19 December 1961. Many of our freedom fighters struggled and sacrificed their lives for us to obtain this happiness. They fought to gain our civil liberties, which were curbed by the Portuguese. My dear friends, today as we look around, we see a lot of development taking place in our small state. Of course, we are blessed by the scenic beauty, and it's a place where tourists like to visit. Various schemes and programs have been introduced for the benefit of us. But let us not forget that every development is helpful. It does have disadvantages. Projects like coal, cutting of modern forest, will these projects benefit our present and future? Let us be wise to oppose and pray. Pray for our leaders that they may take an insightful decision. And take this opportunity to thank all the committee members who have prepared a beautiful assembly for this day, and to you who have attended here, especially to the students who have made it here. Thank you.
Durga mi to माझे सुखाचे, गीत माझे दुःखाचे, गीत माझे सुखाचे, गीत माझे दुःखाचे, गीत माझे गीत तुझे सगळ्या लोकांचे, गीत माझे गीत तुझे सगळ्या लोकांचे. भ्रष्टाचार बंद जाचे, गुंडागिरी बंद जाचे, भ्रष्टाचार बंद जाचे, गुंडागिरी बंद जाचे. मेकळे आम्ही मेकळे तुम्ही, गीत माझे सुखाचे. मेकळे आम्ही मेकळे तुम्ही, गीत माझे सुखाचे. गीत माझे सुखाचे, गीत माझे दुःखाचे, गीत माझे सुखाचे, गीत माझे दुःखाचे, गीत माझे गीत तुझे सगळ्या लोकांचे, गीत माझे गीत तुझे सगळ्या लोकांचे.
Now it is time to end today's program. My love for my beautiful state Goa is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my state is happiness. Thank you and wishing you all a happy Goa Liberation Day. Jai Goa, Jai Bharat.